Right, so on this here is the throttle body. This is where the kind of throttle is. Obviously it keeps saying it's permanent fault because it doesn't fully open. I guess it does open, but it's quite a lot of pressure in there. This is not faulty. This all been checked. It's perfectly fine. Obviously, as we said, the whole cause of this was the DPF. Now you can do two ways. You can either drop the whole exhaust and engine and subframe and get the DPF out and clean it, or you can take this sensor out. Okay, we've used this sort of bolts. This is the size, 22mm. Pop it in there, undo it, and we've used, I've always recommended, it's quite strong, so be careful, bleach. It's a lot stronger than some of the chemicals that you can buy over like Buzz Light or a car part. So I highly recommend using that. You can get it at Lidl, as the Tesco. I've used about four of them, and then just start the car every now and again, just so it kind of pushes it, and then just pour some water through it at the end. You just got to be careful what you're doing, but that's the way to clean it as well. We'll pop everything back in. It should then have a nicer pressure, so good circulation, and it should go straight through it. But that has resolved everything, and then at the end of it I will reset everything again. But yeah, that's all sorted, and that's sorted as well. At the end of the day, that's the way to do it. If you're going to do it yourself, if you're going to give it to mechanics, they will absolutely shred you in terms of price. As you may appreciate, mechanics will add a few digits on sometimes just because they can't undo something, or they make it a hell of a job for you. But that's how easy it is and how simple it is. Not even only on this, there is other vehicles that you can do similar to as well. So as you can see, we've put some water through it, hot water, and that's where your res are. And look at this, ta-da! Well, that's all the shizzle then that's coming out, as you can see, guys. Yeah, we'll have to clear that up after. As you can see now, it's a lot more clearer. Before it was, even though we were putting it through, it wasn't coming out. It looks like the whole DPF system has cleared out, and that is all mock in there. Look at it. Not there, my friends, is a no-go. And this is the problem with diesel cars. So look at this, we're just gonna give it a bit of throttle and watch this. That is pure shizzle coming out.